Okay, so I'm out here with my dog, and I've been out here outside thinking about this group trip that I have booked with another travel agent earlier this year for next June. And I was thinking about how I've been making all the payments for that trip on time, and with my cruises that I have booked, and even my own group cruise for next September, I have not made any payments on them because this is why. When it comes to like a group trip or booking a trip with somebody else that I joined or I was invited on, I'm going to make those payments on time. I'm going to make monthly payments until it's paid off. I'm not going to play with a vacation for somebody else. I'm not going to put somebody else's vacation in jeopardy for my irresponsibility or my financial irresponsibility or whatever. I'm not going to book a trip with somebody or hop on a group trip with another travel agent or a company who is hosting a group cruise if I don't think I'm going to be able to go. And that kind of leads me into my topic today. Well, right now. Today. I don't know. So this kind of brings me to what I kind of want to talk about is that when you are considering booking a group trip or joining somebody on a trip as a second passenger, and you are unsure that you're able to go, don't book it because you are taking up space for the next person. You are wasting time for the travel agent or whoever invited you or whoever is hosting the trip. You are taking up space, you are taking up resources, and you are wasting people's time. And I'm just saying this as a friendly reminder because it's very frustrating for especially like a travel agent who pretty much has everything set and planned. They have things that they're going to buy for the trip for everybody and everything. And booking this trip and not being able to make the final payment, or you haven't made any payments at all, and final payment is literally in 3 hours, and you have to cancel because you can't go, or you don't have the money, or or whatever. That is really that sucks for the person. That sucks for the travel agent. That sucks for the person who really wanted to go, who had the availability to go, who had the money to go. That really sucks, and it's kind of disrespectful. So my advice is, if you're considering going on a trip, a group trip, a trip with somebody, or just a regular family trip or whatever, if you don't think you can go, or if you're not 100% sure, then don't book it. Don't book it at all. Wait until you have a confirmation that you are able to go. But yeah, that's my rant for today. It's hot outside. I don't know why I'm sweating, but yeah, you guys have a good rest of your day and happy travels. Bye.